Do you like cooking? Why or why not? I absolutely adore cooking because it's both a creative outlet and a therapeutic activity for me. Experimenting with different ingredients and flavors allows me to express myself, and the process of preparing a meal from scratch is incredibly satisfying. Moreover, cooking helps me unwind after a long day, as it requires focus and mindfulness, which I find calming. What type of food do you enjoy eating the most? I'm particularly fond of Mediterranean cuisine because of its emphasis on fresh, wholesome ingredients and bold flavors. Dishes like Greek salad, hummus, and grilled fish are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. The balance of herbs, olive oil, and vegetables in this cuisine makes it both satisfying and health conscious, which aligns perfectly with my dietary preferences. Describe a skill you would like to learn. You should say what the skill is, why you want to learn it, how you plan to learn it. One skill I'm eager to acquire is playing the piano. I've always been captivated by the elegance and versatility of this instrument, and I believe it would be a fulfilling way to express myself creatively. Learning the piano would also enhance my cognitive abilities, as it requires coordination, concentration, and memory. To achieve this, I plan to enroll in online courses and practice consistently, dedicating at least an hour daily to mastering the basics before progressing to more complex pieces. Why do you think some people find it difficult to learn new skills? Learning new skills can be challenging for several reasons. Firstly, it often requires stepping out of one's comfort zone, which can be intimidating. Secondly, the initial phase of learning is usually fraught with mistakes and slow progress, which can be discouraging. Additionally, some individuals may lack the time or resources to dedicate to consistent practice. However, with perseverance and the right mindset, these obstacles can be overcome. How important is it for adults to continue learning new skills throughout their lives? Continuing to learn new skills is crucial for adults as it fosters personal growth and adaptability in an ever-changing world. Lifelong learning keeps the mind sharp and can even delay cognitive decline. Moreover, acquiring new skills can open up career opportunities and enhance one's quality of life. For instance, learning a new language or mastering a technological tool can make individuals more competitive in the job market. Ultimately, the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey that enriches both personal and professional spheres.